Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we would like to introduce and discuss about unions. So unions are one of those derived data types that is very similar to structures. And like a structure, a union is a derived data type. It's not a primitive data type like integer or float. Rather, it's been composed of those primitive data types such as integer and double and float and character and others. The difference between union and a structure is that in a structure, each one of the members of the structure will have its own memory space and will take its own memory space. But in a union, the members at the same memory space and they do not have their own memory space, each one of these members. So usually the memory amount that a union usually would take is the amount of memory that is needed to store its member with the largest memory requirement. So usually if double requires the largest memory in a system, so the size of this union is equal to the size of its member with the largest memory requirement. We use unions to prevent a memory wastage. So that means that only one of these members can be accessed and can be used at a time, not both of it, only one of them. So whenever for a number, if integer type is needed, only this member can be used, and if a double type is needed, this member can be used. But both of these members cannot be used at the same time. And that means that we can only reference only one member at a time and not more than that. And it's also the programmer's responsibility to reference the data type with the proper type. And this was an introduction to unions in this episode. Stay tuned as we explore unions in more details in the coming episodes.